Hello, and welcome to this video on the benefits of yoga for overall health. Yoga is an ancient practice that originated in India thousands of years ago, and has since spread all around the world. In recent years, there has been a surge in popularity for yoga, and for good reason. The practice offers a wide range of benefits for both the body and mind. First and foremost, yoga can improve your flexibility and range of motion. Many yoga poses involve stretching and lengthening the muscles, which can lead to greater flexibility over time. This increased flexibility can improve your posture and reduce the risk of injury during other physical activities. Yoga can also help to build strength. Many poses require you to support your own body weight, which can lead to greater muscle tone and definition. This increased strength can also improve your balance and stability. In addition to the physical benefits, yoga can also have a positive impact on your mental health. Practicing yoga has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, and can even help to alleviate symptoms of depression. Yoga can also improve your focus and concentration, which can be beneficial in all areas of your life. Another benefit of yoga is that it can help to improve your sleep. Yoga has been shown to reduce insomnia and improve the quality of sleep. This is because yoga can help to calm the mind and relax the body, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Finally, yoga can also improve your overall sense of well-being. Practicing yoga can help to cultivate a sense of mindfulness and awareness, which can lead to greater self-awareness and self-acceptance. This increased sense of well-being can help you to feel more connected to yourself and others, and can lead to a more positive outlook on life. So there you have it, just a few of the many benefits of yoga for overall health. Whether you are looking to improve your physical fitness, reduce stress and anxiety, or simply feel more connected to yourself and others, yoga can offer something for everyone. So why not give it a try? You might just be surprised at how much it can change your life. Thanks for watching.